In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign on desktop to send and sign documents. First, open your web browser and head to the official DocuSign website. Sign in using your email address and password, just like you normally would. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the home screen. This is your control center and it's worth taking a moment to get comfortable here. You'll see quick options like start a document to begin a new signing process, templates for saving and reusing common forms, send items to monitor what you've already sent out, and completed documents where finished agreements are stored for download and reference. Before we go further, I've placed the official DocuSign website link at the top of the description so you can follow along in your own browser. Now let's upload a document. Click New, then send an envelope. Drag and drop your file or browse to upload it. PDFs and common document formats work well. Give the file a quick check to make sure everything is legible before you add recipients. Next, add the people who need to receive the document. Enter each recipient's name and email address, and assign the correct role. Signer is for anyone who must sign, while receives a copy is for those who only need to be informed. Double check email spelling here to avoid delays, and if you're sending to multiple signers, make sure the order reflects how you want the document to move. With recipients set, add the fields they need to complete. Use the drag and drop tools to place signature, date, initials or text fields exactly where they belong. Assign each field to the correct recipient so DocuSign knows who should complete which part. Zoom in if needed, and align fields carefully to keep things professional and easy to read. Before sending, customize the email message that your recipients will receive. Keep the subject clear and the message brief. Explain what the document is, why it's important, and any special instructions for signing. This helps avoid confusion and speeds up turnaround. When everything looks good, review the documents, fields, and recipient details one more time. Then, click Send. DocuSign will email your recipients automatically, and you can monitor progress from sent items. If you need to sign a document yourself, click Start a Document and choose Sign. Apply your signature, complete any required fields, and click Finish. You'll receive a confirmation, and the completed file will be available in your account. That's how to use DocuSign on desktop. The link is at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.